Pink Kangaroo 2021, question 23. A total of 2021 balls are arranged in a row and are numbered from 1 to 2021. Each ball is coloured in one of four colours: green, red, yellow, or blue. Amongst any 5 consecutive balls, there are exactly 1 red, 1 yellow, and 1 blue ball. After any red ball, the next ball is yellow. The balls numbered 2 and 20 are both green. What colour is the ball numbered 2021? So I started by treating it like a logic problem. If these are my first 5 numbers, I know from the question that the second one is G. I know that there's exactly 1 in every 5, there's exactly 1 red, yellow, or blue. Therefore, there has to be 2 green. We're told that red must follow yellow. Therefore, there are only 2 places that they can go. You can't have red following yellow here. So you have to, if this is like the first, second, third, fourth, fifth, let's just write that. Because you can't have red and yellow in this space. So red is either going to be here or here, and yellow is either going to be here or here. So as I said, only 2 places to go. Also, this one here must contain either red or yellow. Okay, so it can't be blue and it can't be green. So thinking about it, the other bit of information we've got is the 20th must be green. So if I write 15th, 16th, 17th, 18th, 19th, and 20th, we know that these here must be the same as these here. Or key bit of information, this one is green. Okay, we're told that in the question. We know that the 5 here must contain exactly the same as the 5 there. And if this in here has a combination of 1 red, 1 yellow, 1 blue, and 1 green, then this one here has to be green as well. Let me just go over that again. You're going to have in some combination between here. So this has to have 1 red, 1 yellow, 1 blue, and 1 green, because in the total it has to have 1, 1, 1, and 2 green. So in here, in some combination, needs to be red, yellow, blue, and green. And if we've got red, yellow, blue, and green there, then we must have red, yellow, blue, green here. Doesn't matter which order they're in for now. Therefore, this one has to be our second green. So therefore, the 15th has to be green as well. And if the 15th is green, then we have the same pattern again. The 10th is green. And if the 10th is green, therefore the 5th needs to be green. Because every 5th number needs to be green if we follow this logic here. So we go back to the first 5 balls, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is first and this is 5th. We already know that the green has to be here, but we now know that the 5th has to be green as well. So we only have 1 place that the red and the yellow can go. So we know it has to be this, and we know therefore the last ball is the blue. So this is the order that they have to be. Now, if I look at 2021 and I divide by 5, you can probably work out, without having to do this, that you've got a remainder 1. Now, if we count in 5s, that means that we've got 2020 will be a green, and that these 5 here will go back to a blue here, but also we're counting again from here. This would be the first one of this set. So 2021 is going to be blue. So the answer is D.